Buenos dias. All right, y'all. Well, I guess we all see what happened in the market, right? All right, Nvidia closed at 184. Market clearly shot up. All right. If you watched my video yesterday, it everything pretty much happened. All right. I took a risk to the downside. Gonna have to eat that, you know, just gonna have to take that L on that one. All right. VIX came down, and if anything, more importantly, all right, oil came all the way back down to 93. All right. If you watch yesterday's video, this is pretty much exactly what I talked about. All right. I said now would be a great time to bring oil down just because we're pretty much sitting at all time highs. All right. So I took the risk. Hey, what can I say? You win some, you lose some. All right. The big thing though that I'm seeing, let me go ahead and just pull up the Discord, all right? Um just so that way y'all could see everything that I'm referring to. All right. Iran launches new wave of missiles towards Israel 10 minutes after President Trump announces 2-week ceasefire. All right. Missiles are raining down Tel Aviv less than 2 hours after the ceasefire agreement. Like every other day during the war, Iran has announced the Strait of Hormuz is open, but only for those who pay the toll. This will continue despite the ceasefire. All right. Look, I even own up to my, me getting cooked. All right. Let you know I'm not perfect. All right. But this is pretty much all this video is gonna talk about. All right. How are we at a ceasefire, but yet Iran is still saying, nah, we're still doing our own thing. All right. Israel saying the exact same thing too. So I mean, yeah, we made a deal with Pakistan, but I mean, not to like disqualify or say that their opinion doesn't matter, but at the end of the day, it comes down to Israel and Iran. All right. And we're the mediator between it all. So until one of them says otherwise, then this is still continuing. All right. So I wouldn't, no deal is made. All right. No deal is made. Until a deal is actually made, then until then, I mean, I'm not buying none of this. All right. It's just everyone just lying, saying this and that. I mean, keeping the markets up. I mean, it is what it is. We're here at this crucial level right here. Let's go ahead and let's just mark this. All right. I like this right here on the 4 hour. So let's go ahead and let's mark that level for us. Oh, whoops. The worst. Let's take that back. All right. Beautiful. Let's change that to I like that strong. Oh, that's my alarm right there. Right. Never mind that. All right. Whoop. All right. So if we can't get above this level of 25 232, expect some more downside. And especially with the way this is playing out, we're still bombing. There's still things in action, things still in play. I mean, there's not much else but to go off of that. All right. So I mean, as fast as we go up is as fast as we can come down. All right. So Nvidia, we shot up. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised we come see 180 again. We're just back in that rising wedge. That could pretty much suffice as its retest. Right now we're sitting at 184, so we could come back down just as fast. So I'd be on the lookout for that. But I mean, if everything really is a go, then everything's shooting back up. I did talk about AVGO coming back up and testing 339. I did say it was a good time to short, but I also wait out the risk. All right. We're still at 93 for oil. This is not good at all whatsoever. All right. This is just a band-aid. This is not an actual solution. This is not an actual fix. This is nothing but medication. We don't have a cure, no nothing. All right, you got to look at it like that. Um, QCOM, where it, dude? QCOM took off to 128. That's crazy. The whole market just pretty much just took off. All right, you got to sit back and ask, is now the time to go long? I still don't think so. All right, because there's still not an actual solution. So they could bring this back down just as quick at any given time. So just just be cautious of that. All right, folks. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm bearish, but at the same time, that's a that's a big jump up. All right. Until we can get above these levels up here, then we can start turning bullish. All right. So who knows? Maybe they might come up with a deal within these next 2 weeks. That's something to just pretty much be on the lookout for. All right. Other than that, I mean, this today's video is going to be short. All right, we have to really see what's really going to happen. If they can really manage to get some type of deal going, then we'll see the market come back down. But other than that, I mean, there's not much to report other than I pretty much took an L on that one. But I mean, I got till May 1st, so I mean, I can hold these until May 1st, and who knows? As fast as it went up, it can come right back down as well too. So I mean, I'm not really tripping on it. That's just me. I would have loved to get in at 184 and short it right there, but I mean, you know, you win some and you lose some. All right. Um, Q's is sitting at 609, dude. That's crazy, bro. Market took off. The market took off. And clearly, as y'all saw, we're still getting reports of actual bombing still going on. All right. Let me go ahead and jump over here to X right here. All right. Oh, there we go. All right. Vance says if Iranians don't engage in good faith, they're going to find out that the President Trump is not one to mess around. Like we're still talking reckless. Like what are we talking about here, bro? Like this is what I'm saying. They're only band-aids. They're not actual solutions. They're not actual deals. All right. So before you go bullish, all right, please, before you start switching hats, just be sure, all right, that these deals are actually concrete. All right. Explosion reported at Iran's Levon refinery. Source of blast remains unknown. That's funny. All right. Y'all can't see it because I don't know why it's not uploading, but all right, whatever. Just bring up the charts again. All right. So, well, I mean, still be on the lookout for oil and be on the lookout for VIX. VIX didn't even really come down that much. We're sitting at, is it even open? Oh, we're down here at 20. We're sitting at 20. That's crazy. All right. So, I mean, if VIX starts coming down to 20, starts shooting down below the 200 day on, which is sitting at 1811, then, we could start seeing that's crazy. I mean, we could see this thing pop right back up. I mean, who really knows? All right. So, this is what I'm saying. If you guys are going to switch bullish, just be very cautious. All right. You want to see VIX back at 13 in order for you to become really bullish. I mean, you could really take that risk as well too and ride it to the upside while VIX is coming down and oil is coming down. But I mean, nothing's set in stone. All right, so that's why I'm saying just be cautious. As much of a risk as I took to the downside is as much of a risk playing to the upside. All right, so just just be mindful of that. All right. Other than that, I mean, there's not really much else to pretty much report to y'all. All right. Trump did exactly what I said he was going to do. So, what a shame. What a shame. All right. Well, if y'all have any questions or anything like that, like I said, don't be afraid to hit me up. All right. And yeah, that's all we got for today. So, y'all have a good day, y'all. Peace.